Hi guys! Welcome to the new video! Ayan, pupunta kami ng Hayling Island at dala namin yung aming camper van. Ayan, so let's go guys! Hi guys! Ayan, papasok na kami ng Hayling Island. Ito na yung bridge between
England mainland.
England mainland. Ayan.
Hayling Island. Container then, put the wine in.
Oh, it's up to you. Ayan, so ito yung ano ni Joe, yung lunch.
Oh, thanks.
Diyan may cheesy puff pa dyan mamaya. So ayan na siya guys. Na-imiss ko na yung kalat namin. So iyan ang toilet. Yan. So may bin. Yan. Ang pinagkainan namin kasi may tubig siya. Ayan, pero kailangan ma-switch on doon sa battery bago siya makaano ng tubig. So ito yung oven. Ayan, may oven. May stove. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ano siya, burner. Ayan. Ayan, dyan na yung oven. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, what's wrong? Wait. Don't. Later.
Oh.
Maybe stuck. Ayan, yung freezer. Ayan, ito yung fridge. Ayan. So, mayroong sofa dyan where Joe is. Or maybe it caught something. Yeah, later. We open it later. So, ayan. There you are.
No, it's not.
Oh, don't. Joe, stop. Ayan, so mayroong grill dyan. Leave it. I don't think stop it. So ayan yung view. Dito mayroon din bintana. Ayan, may screen siya. Tapos may blinds. Ayan, pwede mong ang ano siya para hindi siya ano masilaw. Yun yung view. Yan. So, ganyan. Ayun, mayroon siyang mga ano dyan, lalagyan. May mirror. Ayan. So, yun lang. Ayan. Nabuksan na namin, guys. Ito pala, hindi pala yung full up. Ayan. Ayan, may mga
What's in this one, Ben?
I don't know what's in there. Let's see.
It does open because it's got a catch.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
You have to I think he said like that, but anyway, storage. Yan. And hindi pa kami nakapag ano dito masyado. Minsan lang namin ginamit to eh. Ayan, so mag-imbestiga muna kami.
Hasn't been open for a long time.
No. Yan, so ayun. Trying to open. You cannot open it.
No.
Can you put your head away from... Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Mano kasi, ayan. Kailangan kasi naka-sealed masyado kasi ayan, yan. Bali, 4 siya guys. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Yan. Kailangan naka-sealed kasi pag nagtakbo yung sasakyan baka mabasag ito. Yan. So, let's go exploring. Joe?
Let's go exploring, Ben.
Yeah. Ay, nagpi-fishing doon sa dulo, guys. Ayan. So, doon maraming tao sa dulo. At mag-toilet muna ako. Ayan. Hindi niya na alam kung paano na i-fold out. You just...
There's a button. It's
No. No. I think this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's no button.
Ayan, isang taon na kasi hindi na kami hindi kami camping uli. So, pasok muna namin kasi baka mamaya pupulutin na lang ng iba. Ayan, so magwa 1 year ito sa, when we bought this one, Hal?
October.
October, yan. October namin nabili ko. So, ayan. Okay na
Oh,
okay
it's
siya.
after we went to West, maybe November, after we went to West Bay last year.
No, October, I guess.
We're closed.
Yeah. You got the key? Check first.
Yeah.
Hindi naman mailak yan kasi ayan, central lock siya. Ayan. Maganda dito. Pwede palang mag-running, guys. Ayan. Pwede mag-running dito. Ayan, oh, mayroong isang camper van din dyan. Ayan, camper van. Dito, kanina may nag-park pero umalis na sila. So, yes. Dito muna kami kasi iihi ako. Doon yung toilet. Yun, oh, yung building na yun. Ayan. Ayan, tsaka maganda dito is, ayan, may train. Kasi malayo pag nilakad mo doon. Ayan, may train. Ayan. Kasi pag nilakad mo yun doon sa dulo, yun o, may perya. Yes. Hanggang doon yan sa dulo. Oh, doon. Doon yan. So,
I think some schools.
ayan. Yun. So, ayan. So, school holiday na kasi mag
There's quite a few people inside.
yeah, mag ano na kasi mag what you call this one? Easter school summer holiday. Yeah.
Easter, yeah.
Yeah, yun. Guys, ito yung mga beach huts. May mga ano yan, may mga may-ari. Mahal yan. So, ito yung kagandahan dito. Dito mayroon silang mga ano talaga na mga basura, especially kasi pwede kang mag-barbecue dito. Ayan, ito sa ano pang barbecue na i-dispose yung disposable barbecue. Ayan. So ito yung map ng pinaka-map ng beach. Ayan. Doon sa dulo. Hanggang doon yun. Ferry Point is on the other side, isn't it?
Yes.
Is this side? This side?
Yes, over there.
Oh, mali pala ako. Doon
We're in
pala
the
yun.
middle now.
Yun. So, where we fish usually? This side, yeah?
No, Ferry Point.
Oh, no, that's damn right,
No,
huh?
because that's the other way around, isn't it? There's a sea.
Yeah. So, we usually go here for fishing.
Yes.
This side.
Yes.
So, we're here.
East Stoke, isn't it? We usually
We're here.
here. You are
Here. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
East Stoke corner where we usually fish.
Yeah. So that, yeah. So yeah, this is the one with the yeah, that's the one we went last time.
Yeah.
Tapos dito, tapos dito, tapos dito. Dito kami nakakuha ng maraming mackerel. Yeah, we caught lots of mackerel this side.
Yeah.
No, this side. Oh, kasi mali eh.
Yeah.
Kaliwa kasi
sea bass
ano.
we catch here.
Yeah, here.
West Beach.
Sea bass. Dito pala kami nakakuha ng maraming mackerel dito banda. So, ayan. Kasi ang beach, ang sea ito. So, baliktad. Ayan, oh, yun ang sea.
And we can play golf here.
Yeah. So, ayan. So,
Practice the
let's,
swing.
yeah. So, let's go that way. So, ayan. Ito. Plastic. So, ito for sale. How much think this beach huts?
$100,000.
$100,000. I mean pounds. Yan. Pag
7 million pesos. 7 million pesos. Yeah.
so, ayan, 7 million pesos, guys. Yan.
Wow.
Yan lang, guys. So, ayan, 7 million pesos. Ito, kinakain ito siya. Ito, ayan.
These are almost blue, bud.
Ha?
These are almost blue. No, the leaves. They're
Ah, the
almost
leaves.
blue.
That's a kale.
Yeah, almost blue colour.
Yeah. Masarap yan. So, ito guys. Yan. Yan guys, oh. May broccoli dito, oh.
Oh,
Yan.
seen that before.
Yan. Pwede manguha. Free lang.
Yeah, the leaves are like a broccoli plant.
Yeah. Maybe we can pick some later.
Oh, maybe it's poisonous broccoli.
No, there is no such thing. Ayan, dito kami maglalakad kasi masakit yung likod ni Joe. Kaya dito
It's like
kami.
the purple sprouting.
Yeah. Dito siya maglalakad sa Hilamunan. Ayan, marami din mga kampaban dito, guys. Ayan, oh. So, ayan, kasi ano siya,
And I think if you get one of
grass.
those Vauxhall, like that kind of camper,
Yeah, this one, like that one.
you can put
Then you can
one
put awning.
on the back, behind the double doors,
Put one what?
on the back.
Yeah, that's the one there. It's just a bed.
Yeah.
Release ng train. Ayan, guys. Yung kanina. Kita natin. So, malapit na kami doon sa fairground. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung pamasahe. Ayan. So, train. Last one is 5 o'clock. Yeah. So, isang adult is single way is 4. Return is 6. Senior is 5. Concession, what's that?
Okay. Concession, like
Yeah.
pensioner
Okay.
or unemployed.
So, yung child. Starting, what's that? Family return. Okay.
2 adults, 2 children.
Yeah.
This Christmas convoy. Christmas train. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, they got a Maggie downstairs as well, huh?
Yeah. So, I think may bayad pati pag pumasok ka
Oh,
doon.
it stops there suddenly.
Yeah. Ayan. So, ayan. Isa lang pala yung ano nito. Only one. There's another one.
Inside.
Yeah, 1 by 1 only.
Oh, yeah.
Isa lang. And then suddenly it go down so quickly. Oh, there's a little child in there. They're not scared.
Everyone goes down the steep part.
Yeah. What it called?
They used to call it a mouse, like kind of roller coaster. Small.
And then there's a
small roller coaster.
ooh. That's brave for the little
It
man.
feels weird because usually the corners you go like that,
Yeah.
you're on the side, and this one is you stay straight.
Yeah.
So it feels like you're going to tumble.
Ooh. And then it stops so suddenly. Ooh. Ayan guys. Ayan. Funland mining mini train roller coaster. Ayan. So Funland Kingdom.
Pirate ships.
Kids Kingdom. Ayan. So I think if you go in, you have to pay.
No, yeah.
So ayan guys. Tingnan natin kung may bayad o wala pag pumasok. Kasi entrance Funland.
I'm not going on the bunkers my back. Especially
Yeah. Pang bata para talaga ito. Are you doing anything?
I got no coins.
Walang pera si Joe. Ha?
The jungle splash, that's the log.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one. This. So guys, andito na yung train. Connect na siya. Okay. So last trip niya na to, public doon. guys.
Maybe that's the job.
Yeah. So, mataas pa rin yung araw. It's 5 o'clock already. Yeah, so,
The way to go slightly.
I don't know. So, yeah, I know. I saw it before we went.
I got my rod.
You go fish. Oh, yeah, just come out. You just arrived, Joe.
Yeah.
You go fish.
I washed first.
Ayan. Dala niya daw yung fishing rod niya. So, ayan guys. May magpi-fishing dito mamayang gabi hanggang mamayang gabi. So, ayan. So, they fish until night time, I think.
Yeah, probably.
So, can you please put the oil later, yeah?
Yeah.
So that is easy for me to open this. I can't open
We
on
need
my...
to buy some, don't we?
No, there is on the table outside.
Where is it?
By downstairs, by the table. So hi guys, pauwi na kami. Ayan. So natapos din ang
Hi guys.
ang aming day trip dito sa Hayling Island. So let's go home. So let's go home,
Guys.
guys.
Nothing behind, man. I can't see
No,
your side.
no. Only the birds there.
No little kids running around.
So there is more caravan. You know there is the stamping.